The interlocking soil block is a building material that is economically and environmentally friendly. It is easy to install and fast in its construction and is made of natural soil resulting from drilling operations for the establishment of buildings with low proportions of cement. There are 4 stages of action. The first is to gather information on the evolution of the industry and block production. Stage 2 includes experimental work, which began in August 2015. 6 samples of different soils were tested to determine their physical and mechanical properties. All experiments were conducted in the soil laboratory of the University of Damascus. 9 mixes were designed from the targeted soil with different proportions of cement and water. Then, the production of 30 samples of soil blocks for each mixture took place. Afterwards, all samples were tested on durability, such as compressive strength, water absorption, immersion in water, and drying, according to the terms of the Syrian Arab Source Code for building materials. Ultimately, 4 mixtures were obtained under terms of durability, then the economic mixture for production was used. In the third stage, which started in November 2015, soil blocks were produced in accordance with the outlined steps to produce high-quality blocks. First, the chosen soil is filtered by a suitable sieve with 8 to 10 millimeters expanded metal or welded mesh. Second, the sifted soil is mixed with a suitable percentage of cement and water based on the economic mix. Third, interlock soil blocks are produced through the hydroform machine. Fourth, soil blocks are stacked and produced in courses with no more than 5 blocks on top of each other. Finally, soil blocks are cured by sprinkling water on the top layer of blocks once a day and covering them with plastic sheeting. 14 days after the production samples of soil blocks were tested in the construction materials laboratory at the University of Damascus, 2 types of soil blocks were produced: solid blocks with dimensions of 22 and 24 centimeters, height of 11.5 centimeters, and weight of 10 kilograms, in addition to hollow blocks with dimensions of 15 and 30 centimeters, height of 6 centimeters, and weight of 10 kilograms. A soil block is roughly equivalent to 2 blocks of traditional concrete blocks. Production took 14 workers for 4 days, who included displaced persons of the crisis and university students with wages of 116,000 Syrian pounds. In December 2015, the 4th stage began by building a prototype using the soil blocks according to the terms of the Syrian Arab Code for the Engineers Syndicate. Using soil blocks is more advantageous than using traditional concrete blocks because they are easy to install and do not require experience in construction, which means that women can participate in the construction process. They don't require a cement mortar for the installation of the blocks. They don't require a cement plaster. And they have a large capacity for thermal insulation as well as pleasing aesthetic view depending on the color of used soil. Finally, several construction solutions on the model of the roof were proposed: brick roof, precast concrete roof, corrugated sheet roof, sandwich panel roof, and concrete roof. For this stage, 43 workers were hired for 4 days, including displaced persons and university students with wages of 204,500 Syrian pounds.